Welcome to LineLink gamedev again. I added SFX to my game. As you can see, my Mario can jump now. There's a minor bug here. He doesn't move again. Then I added the dying steps, which means the steps that takes the Mario to die. I haven't added the animation yet. First, when you collision with the enemy, you stop for a second, you can move and he jumps and the dying SFX plays. Also, the camera doesn't move again. I learned how to control audio in God of War and finding note and position change. This is how I use the audio code. There's a node named audio, then audio players, then audio stream player 2D. I added 8 of them. Here we have constant jump for jump.wave and die. This is the audio code. We have a function play func. We search all of these audio stream players with for loop, and if one of them is free, then we select it and stream the audio there, and here is the play. Also, it's important to add in auto load tab in project settings. You have to add your audio scene. Finding node and removing child would be like this. Variable vcam, I have a camera, I want to find it. It's in the player. Get node camera 2D, its name, and remove child vcam, which is this. As you can see in my world scene here, I have a player and I have a camera 2D child to it. The player is parent, so the camera follows the player. And here, first I find the camera 2D, then I remove the child, then I add the camera to the world. And here is another example that I can child the camera to another object like an enemy. Position change is what I learned. I have a camera, I remove the child, which is camera. Then I set the camera position again, which is vcam.global position equals global position of the current node. For now, I'm changing position like this until if I find a better way to do it. I learned how to twin in God of War, especially twinning the value. Here is an example in the game. When I press space, the Mario scales double. This is a very nice way to do it because the collision box and everything seems to be scaling with the Mario. So here is the twin in my document. I searched a lot for this in God of War, so here is the code. We have variable twin2 get3. Here we create a twin. Then we have twin2.twin method. I use twin method for this because I'm working with a variable which is scaly. I have a function here twin2update. Because this is a twin for value, we need the update function. Twin2update dot bind, because this is callable, it needs to be bind. And scaly, the start value. Scaly multiples 2 is the end value. This is the first value, this is the end value, and 2 is my duration time. Here we have v value, which is float. Scaly equals v value. Here is the scale setting on the updating, like every frame, scale x and scale y on my code. Another thing is that when our twin ends, we need to call a method but I couldn't figure out how this works. I searched a lot, and for now I use timer for it, which is var timer equals timer.new add child with timer, wait time 2. This is important in Godot 4. vtimer.timeout.connect tween done to. In this method, I can do whatever I want after this tween. One shot and vtimer starts. So this is update, and this is when the tween is finished. 2 seconds here and 2 seconds here for the tween. For now, this is the way I'm working with. The things I need to learn in the next sessions will be, I learned the timer, kind of. The tween is enough for now. The global variable, I need to learn it. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching.